Alrighty, everybody, welcome back to some Kerbal Space Program, whatever this is called. So here we are, with our launcher, our new launcher to the Mun. You notice we've got the asparagus staging set up. We've got some bigger engines. These ones all have a max thrust of 650. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna launch this thing, and we are gonna get to the Mun. And we will see you guys when we get there. Okay, once we get in orbit and we start landing and whatnot, we'll bring you back. But for now, just know we're going there. And you thought we wouldn't get here. So now we took our first one in orbit around the Kerbal, and that's not worth getting. So now we're here. So now we need to pick our landing site, and I kind of want to land in the daytime side. So we're gonna go here, and we're just gonna go like this. Nope. I want to land in that crater there if possible. So like that. Except that by the time we get there, that crater is gonna be gone. So let's just go around to our periapsis, and then we'll pick where we're going to land from there. Shall we? I still want to land on the daylight side, because it's always better. Although, I need to show you guys something. Look at this, look at this. Wah. On our little ship here, we got lights. Anyway. Okay, let's keep on going upward here until we hit about here. Okay, so this guy looks like he's gonna be in the daylight side, so let's add a maneuver here. Oh, that guy looks like he might still be in the daylight side. Nope, wrong way. Bit more like that should do it. And either way, any science from the Mun is good because we haven't gotten any yet. So we're gonna zoom on around here to this node. And we're gonna kill it. And we're gonna hit our engines. And that's good enough. And we're coming down. We do have quite a bit of fuel in this tank, actually. So we're probably going to use this to slow ourselves down even more. We need to rotate ourselves, though, so that we don't, do anything too stupid. So now what we're going to do is we're going to wait until you hit about 15,000 kilometers. 15 kilometers, not 15,000 kilometers. We're going to wait until you hit about 15 kilometers. So 15,000 meters. And then we're just going to hit our thrusters full power, full tilt, just to stop our motion as much as possible with this engine, okay? And it does not look like we're going to land on that, so that's okay. And hopefully 15 kilometers is enough, you know what I mean? Sometimes it looks like it's not going to be, but usually 15 kilometers is more than enough. we're going super-duper slow. Let's go ahead and take some of this goo. Nope. Don't keep that goo, science. Okay, so it does look like we're going to be barely inside of this crater, which potentially could be a very bad thing. We need to be under 12 when we hit the ground by as much as possible. If at all possible, I like to be around 0 meters per second. There's our shadow, which means we're a lot higher up than I thought we were. And now if you follow this, your retrograde marker, when you're trying to land, it does wonders for your landing sequence. I did not know this for the longest time. This is probably still going to be in space near. Yeah. Okay. Let's kill it. We're going too slow. Too slow. Very finicky. Wrong one. That was not what I meant. That was not what I meant at all. Okay. Okay, hopefully SAS will stabilize us, and it did. Whew! Go ahead and turn that off. Don't we look superb? Magnificent! 40 science. Let's just do all of these right here, since we already got all the other science we can get with these mystery goos. I may have taken a few too many of those. The materials bay gives us 100. Give us a crew report. I'm gonna actually turn on SAS while I do this. What does this give us? So, R? No. Don't die. Don't die. Okay. Oh my goodness, why are you reacting so slowly to me? Okay. Take a surface sample. EVA report. Okay, now, what we're gonna do is something really silly. We're gonna go right back to the Space Center. And we're gonna go here. And we are going to get this one. And we're going to get that one. Position satellite in stationary orbit of Midness. Oh, that's kind of a cool one. Position satellite in equatorial orbit of Kerbal. Ooh. Anyway, so now that we've got those, let's go back here. And let's go to Shepford Kerman. And let's go here. So this is just a little way of getting extra monies. I do it this way just because then I don't have the time limit thing that's going on. We're gonna name this the Mun Landing number 1. This is awesome. remember what button gets rid of all this stuff. Vortex pictures. It's okay though. Okay, Shepard, we're done. Whoa. Okay, so now go ahead and get on board. And go ahead and do that now. How far away? I kind of want to go up here to this part. So I'll be back when I've gotten there with Shepard. But can I get on top and then hit R? Okay, he didn't die. So we're gonna walk on up this hill and see if I can't get any more science from that place. And I don't really want to fly up there because bad things have happened when I've flown on the moon. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Alrighty, so we got back out of the ship. We got all our science. Let's get out of here, shall we? We're gonna go up for a little bit. Once this gets to about 15,000, we're just gonna turn right on over to the 90. And just go ahead and get to an escape trajectory and get back to Kerbin. We can go ahead and turn off our landing legs. Okay. If I actually can go just out that way, that would be nice. Okay. What happens there? I can... Yeah. Okay. Let's keep on getting this down further so we hit an aero brake on our way out of the moon. Okay, so let's get this down to about 20,000. 20,000's fine. Alright. And then we're just gonna zoom around here. Just keep on zooming around until we hit the atmosphere. And there's our atmosphere. Did I say 20,000? We're actually at 2,000, so we might not actually make it back out of here. Let's go in here. And we are coming down like it is crazy. So, let's go ahead and see what's happening to our apoapsis. Our apoapsis is dropping like it's nutso. Okay, we are definitely landing on this planet. So let me just go ahead and deploy all of the things. Okay. Boom. Shepard is coming home from the mun with lots of science. Alright, we can turn off the lights because it is daytime. And hopefully, I did test landing this thing on Kerbin before, and it seemed like we were down to about 5 meters per second, which is good, but not like the best, of course, but it's good. Oh, no, we're down to 10. Okay, 10 is potentially not good, but we'll see how much of this stuff crashes off of their ship. We were in space for a grand total of 5 days. Okay. So all of our science pack thingies stayed on. Our fuel, it looks like, exploded. That's okay. Let's recover our vessel. That was kind of sketchy. And we got another 300 science. So we got 400 science total. We got 400,000 monies. And we got a whole bunch of whatever this stuff is. Let's start the unpaid science thing. And minus 27 reputation on each discount, or just get more money on getting them. I don't know about that one. Anyway, so let's go here. Explore Minmus. Yes, take it. Explore Duna. Yes, take it. So let's see, what did we explored the Mun, we launched the missile, planted the flag, got science data. We did a whole bunch of those, right? Sweet. Okay. Perform aerial surveys of Kerbin at an altitude of that? That's kind of cool. Kerbin at altitude of that. Position satellite in equatorial orbit around the Mun. Science data from... That would actually be a good one, putting one around the Mun, but for right now, let's go ahead and look at what we can buy with our science. Okay. Not a lot is what we're going to find. Not a lot. So I could get those, but I'm not really too interested in that stuff right now. I am, however, interested in that, so we're going to get that. And it's just, we're going to get it. I don't know if I really want that stuff, however. This gives me the barometer, that's good. It gives me some extendable ladders and some protective railing and some of those things. That gives me better batteries and solar panels, that's what it's called. So we're getting that. Now we have 160 left, and I think the best thing to do here I think the best thing for us to do here at this point in time is probably just to get some bigger, more powerful rockets. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, so we got some heavier rocketry, and that's nuclear rocketry. We want that eventually. This was pretty good too. This one here gives us quite very heavy rocketry, gives us a lot of really good things for getting us into space. But it's going to be a while before we get that kind of stuff. Let's go back here now. So let's see. So now we need to go to Minmus.